Your views don't tell the whole story. If you want to know exactly where viewers stop watching your video, audience retention is the metric you need. Here's how to find it and what it actually means. Audience retention shows how much of your video people watch before they leave. It's one of the most useful analytics in YouTube Studio because it helps you understand which parts of your video keep viewers interested and where you might lose their attention. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find audience retention and how to read it. So first open YouTube Studio. Now go to Content section and select the video you want to analyze. Next click Analytics. From the Analytics page, scroll down until you see the audience retention graph. The graph shows how your viewers watch your video from beginning to end. If the lines drop sharply at a certain point, it means many viewers stop watching there. If the line stays relatively steady, it means viewers continue watch that part of your video. You can move your cursor across the graph to see how audience retention changes at different moments in the video. Use this information to understand which part of your content works well and which section may need improvement. Audience retention helps you improve your future videos by showing where viewers stay engaged and where they lose interest. If people leave during the introduction, you may need a stronger hook. If they continue watching until the end, it usually means your content is keeping their attention. Instead of guessing what works, audience retention gives you real data that can help you create more engaging videos over time. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Sonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.